Hello students. Question is from operating system. Question asked is, consider an operating system schedule the CPU to the process P0, P1, P2 and P3 based on the shortest remaining time first algorithm where tie between processes are breaked according to the arrival time. Okay, and the arrival and the burst time of the processes are given below, and we have to find out the average waiting time of the process. Okay, so the process has been given as process arrival time, okay, and the burst time it is given, right? So it is P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay, so and arrival time is 0, 2, 4 and 5, and burst time is 7, 4, 1 and 4. Okay, so this is the given chart. Okay, and based on this, and we have to consider the SRTF, okay, means shortest remaining time first algorithm. This is scheduling algorithm we are using. Okay, so just prepare the Gantt chart, okay, based on the SRTF, so then you will be able to find out the average waiting time. Okay, so the Gantt chart, because it is telling that the it is breakdown according to the arrival time. So first P1 is arriving, so P1 will arrive at 0, it will run to 2 seconds. Okay, because at 2 P2 is arriving, so from 7 2 seconds already passed, so remaining is 5 milliseconds. Okay, and it is in milliseconds. This is P2, so P2 is like this. So now again till 4 it will run. Okay, so it will be 2 now remaining. So at 4 which has come P3, so P3 will complete its execution because it has burst time of 1 millisecond, so this will be 5. So at 5 P4 is also there and P2 is also there, so now it will be breaked according to the this one, right, arrival, because it has only 2 burst time is left 2. Okay, so now first P2 will be done, so it will be 7. Now again P4 will be done, so it will 7 plus 4, that will be 11, and then P1 will come, so it will 11 plus 5, that is 16. Okay, so therefore the average waiting time will be what? Average waiting time will be the finally when it get allocated CPU at 11 milliseconds minus already elapsed time minus arrival time. Okay, plus similarly 5 minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, now plus 4 minus 4, because it got CPU at 4 and it arrived at 4. Okay, so and it not waited for anything, so 4 minus 4, and plus it will be 7 minus 5, because it got CPU at 7 and it arrived at 5. Okay, now divided by how many processes are there? 4 processes are there, so 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 divided by 4, so it will be 3 milliseconds. Okay, so this is the answer and the option is B. Thank you.